Hello everybody, this is Shake-Line.com. Welcome everybody to Shake-Line.com. Today we're gonna prepare a shot. The B-52, really famous. Have you heard about it? It's really tasty. Yeah, it's 3 layers, beautiful. So we're gonna start with 3 ingredients. It's gonna be the coffee liquor, Irish cream, and triple sec. This one we're gonna make it fancy with some fire. Yeah, so a fire drink. So for this we're gonna need a bar spoon. There are 2 kinds, this one that is with an empty end and this one that has a plain end. We're gonna show it with both, so it's gonna be easier to learn. If you don't have a bar spoon, you can use a regular bar, a regular spoon. Yeah, regular bar, sure. A regular spoon from your house, I suggest a coffee spoon. Yeah, so we're gonna start pouring in 3 parts. The first is gonna be the coffee liquor. We're gonna put 1/3 around in each of the glasses. This one you don't need anything, just pouring it. Yeah, the second part we're gonna show first with the regular spoon. For this we're gonna use the back part of the spoon, not the front, the back. We're gonna put it really close to the other layer and pour it slow. For this you have to be gentle and patient. So the second third is full of it. For the next step we're gonna put it with the other spoon that has a plain back. For this one it's a little bit easier to pour it. You just put it in the top and let it go down. Yeah, and it looks really easy actually, and it is easy. The third one we're gonna use it in the same way. So now we're gonna continue with the triple sec. We're gonna use it first in the last one. Really easy. We pour it in the same way. Goes really slow. Yeah, it's important to put it slow so the layers we keep them. Check this one. Yeah, look how the third layer is built. Yeah, really slow and nice. It's third parts because it's in layers. And for the last one we're gonna show it again with the regular spoon. So again, in the edge of the layer, and we put it on the spoon really slow. So we have the 3 layers. As you can see now in the video, we have different layers. The most important part, I need to ask to our production to turn off the lights. Oh, thank you, that's better. And we'll go with fire. We're gonna turn it on, the first, the second one, and the third one. You can do it with a regular lighter as well. You can see here the fire, so it's really on. So don't forget to blow it before. Yeah. And cheers. Yeah, that can happen. So guys, see you next time, Shake-Line.com. Thank you for watching.